Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7 and today we're going to be turning this into this. Let's go. This is the air filter that we're going to be using. It's a K&N air filter. It's a high performance air filter. It'll improve the airflow to your engine by 50%, resulting in a louder whooshing noise. Now, you're not going to get a loud whooshing noise that you would get on a cold air intake or a short ram intake. Those are actual intakes. This one is just an air filter that'll just replace your stock filter. And honestly, this is the sound that this car should have had when it came out of the factory. I don't know why Honda chose to tone it down a little bit, but yeah, this is the filter, K&N, and the exact model of this filter is a 3350/70 filter. So they claim you don't have to worry about cleaning this for 75,000 miles, but that's all bullshit. So clean it when it's dirty, and you can just re-oil this so that you can reuse this filter during the lifetime of this car. Apparently it's supposed to give the car an additional 6 horsepower. So instead of this car being 306 horsepower, it'll have a total of 312 horsepower. Now, I haven't dynoed this yet to get the exact horsepower, but I highly doubt. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice sound on this car. Let's go ahead and get started. So a lot of people don't know this, but you can actually open the hood all the way. Now, a lot of people just open the hood just like that, but if you want more space to work on your engine, you can actually put this all the way up so that you can have all this working room inside your engine bay. So tips from me. Don't judge me because I just found that out, honestly. But yeah, that's if you don't know it, then I'm passing my knowledge to you. So this right here is your stock air box, and changing out the intake is probably like the most easiest thing that you can do, because you literally just have to take this clamp off. There's one right here. The second one is right here. So just take off those 2 clips. And then if you don't want this to get in your way, just take this off as well. So there's 2 little clips that you'd have to take off, and literally all you do is just push down on this tab and pull like this. Like, I can just do it in one hand. Here's the other one, just like that. Comes off like so. And if it makes you feel comfortable, you can always take off your mass airflow sensor, which is right here. So you just push on this tab and then out like that. So now you have this whole little assembly off so that it won't get in your way. And then there are clamps right here where you just push downward. So it's gonna take a little bit of force, and make sure this can get hot, especially if you just took your car out for a drive. So this clip is off. Now we have to take off this one right here. So just push down just like what you did over there. Push, just like that. So now that we have all the clips off, you're just gonna push this towards you. Now it's not gonna go up all the way. So you're just gonna have a little bit of crack right here. That is enough to actually take off your stock intake. So you're just gonna grab it with your hand, just like that, and then you're just gonna pull it out. So let's do a comparison between the two. As you can see, the stock air filter is a white color, while this K&N one is a reddish velvety color, the same color as my intake on the Sport. Now, obviously, this isn't going to be as loud as a short ram intake that I have on the Sport, but it'll increase the whooshing noise that you're going to get on this Type R, and it also adds 6 horsepower as they claim. So we're going to go ahead and install this. Now, what's good about this stock air filter is it has like a little tab right here for easy access, whereas this one, this doesn't have an easy access tab, so you're going to have a hard time taking this off in the future, but it's fine. It's fairly easy to take this off. And this is oily. I can already feel the oil, and if you can see on the camera, there's little oil streaks. So now we're going to be putting this inside of your stock air box. And to put this on, the ridges, that's the top part. So you're gonna face the tub part facing down. And as you can see on the side, it has the K&N logo. So you're just gonna face that the right way, just like that, okay? And then we're just gonna stick it right in, just like the stock. We're gonna slide it in like so, and make sure that it's all the way in. Has to sit nice and flush. Okay, so now when that's done, you can just close this by sliding the top part downwards towards you. Just have to align it with that so that you can close this properly. Now there's two of them on each side. Obviously this is the one side right here, and the next side is just right there. So just align them with the little tabs and you should be good to go with closing this all the way. Just give it a little shake like so. Then we're gonna lock this up by pressing on this little clip right here all the way in, just like that. Then on the other side, which is right here, you're just gonna snap this as well, just like that. So this is why in every installation it's important to wear gloves, because I don't know if you guys saw earlier, but there's a cut and I don't know how it happened, but it's just there. So wear gloves when you're installing. Safety first, remember. Oh, anyways, moving on. So now that the air box is completely closed, all the clips are in place and it's nice and secure, we are now going to put this assembly back on. And the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna plug in your mass airflow sensor cable, and then it just clips on like so until you hear a little snap. And then these little clips right here just fit in with these two tabs. So we're just gonna go like that and like that. And now it's done. So it's as easy as that. Whooshing, huh? Barely any whooshing. Now it's time for subscriber builds, while I show off the viewers' builds on this channel. And our first build for today is
Our first build is from Alex Ramos, and he says, "Hello Chris, this is Alex from Rhode Island. I tried sending you a video showing more of what I've done to my 2020 hatchback Sport." And he also sent a mod list in which he's done Honda tune, front strut bar, stage 1 PRL intake, Forge Motorsports recirculating valve, MGP caliper covers, and several other things, but I can't remember since it's been a while that I've done it. Your FK7 is looking awesome. Keep up the awesome work and the awesome content, my friend. Next is from Juan Sains, and he says, "Hey, what's up Chris? I saw you remove the wing. Sorry things didn't work out that well, but really respect the decision to remove it before someone seriously gets injured. Well, I'm gonna attach a pic of my FK7. Hope you can add it to the other FK7s. If not, hopefully I can at least inspire you because that's what you've done for me. Thanks man, take care." We have a submission from Ohio Hunter Vlogs, and they said, "Thanks for the inspiration. Traded my 2016 Civic to do mods, some like yours. You make it look a lot easier than it actually is. Looking forward to your exhaust and Type R seats. I'm going for a Type R clone." And finally, we have one from Gabe Valdez, and he says, "Hey Chris, love what you're doing with the channel. Here's my 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. I put on a Type R spoiler, tinted the windows, blacked out side markers, last fit low and high beams, window visors, PRL short ram intake, and I am also tuned on Honda. Keep up the great work. My IG is gabe.valdez."
If you want your build to be featured on my channel, send me an email at christimefk7@gmail.com so that your build can be featured on my upcoming videos. Back to the video. Anyways, that about wraps up this video. For under $50, this is highly worth getting, especially if you just bought a Type R, or if you're still stuck on that stock air filter on your Type R, then this K&N filter is the way to go. The good thing about it is it's not going to void any warranty, so if you have a warranty on your car, this will not void it, and you're going to get that whooshing noise as you're driving. So highly suggest doing this to your car. Nice and easy. Not only is it easy to install, but it's also easy on the pocket. So it's really inexpensive, and it's going to give you that extra 6 horsepower that K&N claims to have on this car. Anyways guys, thank you all for watching. If you're in the market for LED bulbs or floor mats for your car, be sure to check out LastFit's website because they are high quality, and I've installed them on my Sport hatch, and soon I'm going to be installing them on my Type R as well. So be sure to check out their website and use my code CTFK7 for that 10% off. Be sure to hit that like button if you like this video. Comment down below what you guys think of this video, and if you have any future suggestions on what kind of videos that I should be making on the channel, because I do read all your comments, negative or positive. But yeah, that's the way it is. This is Time FK7. Thank you all for watching, and peace out.